Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the circular pattern in the sketching module. For this purpose we are going to draw a circle and another circle. We are going to make a smaller circle on a lower diameter circle, and we want to pattern it around the circumference of the circle. We will select the circular sketch pattern, and we have to select the geometry R3 that is already selected. We can control the number of pattern circles. By default there are 4. We can also increase. We can add the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10, whatever number of circles you want to draw, and we can also control the respective options from the side panels. And here it is, and we can later remove the circle on which we have to draw, and we can convert this into the plate with the holes.